Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to protect your personal file from ransomware attack. I will show you step by step using PowerShell command and smart safety habit. Very simple, very clear. Let's go. Always backup your important file. First thing, backup it means copy your important files to a different location. Why? Because if some ransomware locks your computer, your backup will still be safe. You can use external hard drive, USB pen drive or cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive. I personally suggest once a week just copy your document, photos, videos to your backup. That's all. And never keep backup plugin all the time. Plug it after copy. And second step, turn on control folder access. This is built-in Windows Defender feature. It protects important folder for known apps. Ransomware trying to change file inside protected folders, it will be blocked. Run is administrator PowerShell. Use this command. You can change that folder path to any folder you want to protect. It can be download, pictures or even a folder on another drive. Totally your choice. An important thing is keep Windows Defender updated. Ransomware keep changing its style. That's why your antivirus must be learn new thing every week or even daily. You can run this command. I usually do this once a week. It just take a few seconds and keep your computer ready. Another important thing, run scan regularly. Even if your PC looks fine, sometimes malware hide. Quick scan or full scan, you can scan daily. So I do quick scan daily and full scan once a week, maybe on weekend when I am not using the PC. Don't trust suspicious file or email. This is where most people get attacked. They open a bad link or fake email. Ransomware comes in. Never open file with X, JS or zip or VBS. Why these files are dangerous? Now let's talk about XJS, zip and VBS files. These are very risky if they come from non-email or website. X mean this is a program file, executable file. If you double click it, it will run something in your system. If it's virus or ransomware, your file can be locked in seconds. Never open X file from email attachment, WhatsApp or Messenger link, known website. J is JavaScript file. This is a small code file. It can be used in website, but hacker also use it to run hidden malware script when you click. Example, a file called invoice.js can pretend to be a bill but actually launch ransomware in the background. If you see JS file, delete it, don't open it. Zip file. You know zip file. This is zip folder. It can contain many file inside. Must phishing email and zip file to hide the virus inside. Example, you open offer.zip. Inside is a file like offer.pdf.x. Looks like a document, but is it actually a program? Always extract and check carefully, but don't open unless it's from someone you fully trust. VBS is Visual Basic Script. This is another script file. It can control Windows features. That means it can change system setting or download malware. If you see a file ending in .vbs, don't touch it, especially from email or website. Another step is turn off macros in Microsoft Office. Some ransomware comes through Word or Excel file. They use macros to start running in your system. To turn off macros, open MS Word, File, Option, Trust Center. Click Trust Center setting, go to macro setting. Select disable all macros with notification. Don't use macros anyway. So turning them off is a smart move. Another thing is use OneDrive file recovery. I personally use OneDrive is for important file. It saved me once when I accidentally deleted some work. If you use OneDrive, Microsoft give you a 30-day history. So if your file are encrypted by ransomware, you can restore them. And Windows Defender has built-in tool called Control Folder Access. This stops known apps like ransomware from changing file in protected folder. We just need to enable it and add our important folder. This method is perfect for beginners. Just click and choose folder, very easy. Search ransomware protection in start menu. Click control folder access. Turn it on. Click protected folder. Add your folders manually.